Now, why should you supplement your income with passive income? The short answer is that you can earn more money and diversify income streams. There is some effort required to get a passive income stream started, and in some cases, some effort to maintain it. But it won't take the effort that a daily job or typical occupation takes to make money. Once set up, the passive income should continue on its own. Initial startup will require time, money, or a little of both. There are many advantages of passive income, including making money with little work to maintain it, diversifying your income, thereby decreasing risk if one stream of income goes away. In other words, if you lose your job, extra revenue streams will come in handy if your daily occupation is downsized or eliminated. You can do what you love while still making money. You can retire and still have money coming in. You can spend more time with family and be able to work less. And you can travel more.